Mace, what's the point of coming to the Indiana Dunes if you're not gonna climb a dune and jump down or run down?
Because I didn't want to break my neck, that's why.
Oh my God, guys, it got real serious right now. Wow, here comes the ambulance.
Close your mouth. Oh my God, his feet. Close your mouth. Shut your mouth.
Oh my God, are you? Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another vlog.
And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button.
Yeah guys, so if you guys don't know already by the title, we are going to the Indiana Dunes.
And here's another one for you. I haven't done it, Caesar has. We'll see how it goes.
And yeah guys, so we're gonna hit the road, but as you can see, we got everything packed there. The cooler, we are all set. So yeah guys, let's get out of here. Yeah guys, we had to make a pit stop. Mace, what'd you get?
I got an overpriced Kool-Aid. Your dad got an overpriced coffee drink of some sort. And yeah, it's gonna be delicious.
Sounds about right. Okay, now we can go. Guys, I don't know if you can tell, but way out there in the distance, you can see downtown Chicago. Right over there. Oh my God, we're getting attacked by birds. Seagulls. What in the world? Somebody probably fed them something. So Mace, what are you guys trying to do?
We're gonna bury Noah alive.
Aw, snap. So you're gonna start the hole right here. Noah's doing the other side right here.
Mom, my hole's finished.
Go ahead, dig.
Wow, Adam, you having fun?
Yeah, I'm good.
Wow.
Jump.
Yeah, jump, jump. Oh! So, how's it going?
It's going.
All right, Noah, so all you gotta do is just sit right in there.
Get in there. Don't put the sand in there.
Oh, and try not to get bit by a crab.
Mom, are the crabs here?
No, there's no. Oh my God, Caesar.
I know, I'm just kidding.
Screaming.
Nah, maybe put him up a little bit more.
Okay, get up.
Yeah, because he's gonna get buried all the way.
Right there, right there. Sit.
There you go. Okay, that's perfect. Perfect. Oh my God, you're almost buried. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Wow, you can't even see his feet.
Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Shut your mouth.
Oh my God, are you let me see, Mace, watch out.
Where's your dad?
Alright, let's see. Let's see. Wow, all you see is his head. You can't see. Where's your foot? There's no feet in sight. Wow. How do you feel, Noah?
Hey, stay. So,
alright, get up.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
You got this. There you go.
Come on. Rise from the dead.
go.
Go wash yourself.
All right, Bella's next.
No.
Check it out, guys. We're gonna make Bella a mermaid. Check it out. Mace, how good are you at
Do you see my
forming?
sculpting skills?
Oh yeah.
You see that?
Oh
It's
snap!
all about the angles.
Right? Now you gotta put the scales on there.
We need some water to sand ratio type of stuff. Some scalpels. Is that what you
No, we don't need none of that. Do you even know what you're talking about right now? Because I don't think so. Cover that toe a
Look
little
at that. Mermaids don't have toes.
bit. Eee.
You saw the fish? Oh, wow. Give me 5. Was it big or small? Okay, go back.
Really?
Go back and see it.
Look, they say that there's some fish in here. Where?
Look, there's one right there.
Look.
Look, right there, right there. See him? See that little bitty one?
No.
Right there. Right there.
Oh, yeah, but that's so small.
I know.
Yeah, you can't really see it from here. Mace, how's the water?
Perfect.
Perfect.
And if for those of you who don't know why I said perfect, it's because the Arabic language does not contain a P. So our P's are B's, so it's perfect.
Perfect. Peter Piper picked up better peppers.
Peter.
Peter. Look, Adam, Mom's gonna come get you. She's over there. Look at how close that thing is. Wow. Wow. Look at that. It is, look, it's coming back. It's coming this way. Oh my gosh. Look. See that? Look at. What happened? How'd it go out there?
Water's nice. It's refreshing.
I know.
Feels cold, like when you go in, you're like, especially when like it touches your butt a little bit, you're like, oh my god. But then you get in and you're like, it's nice.
Soothing, relaxing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna get in there right now.
What are you guys doing?
Adam's throwing some rocks.
Adam, you're throwing rocks? Yeah? Did it go far?
He's falling.
Oh, okay. Who taught you? Grandpa? Adam and his grandpa. 2 peas in a pod. Caesar, how's the water?
Feels good. Like
See?
at first it's like shock. You're like, oh my god, it's so cold. But then it's like it warms up. Like I don't know, it feels good after that.
Exactly what I said.
Yeah.
What you doing?
Trying to get wet. I would splash you, but that's a pretty expensive camera.
Yeah, please don't.
He's over there. Why? What you trying to do?
Trying to hold some water over here, man.
Oh yeah. Wow, you see that hole?
Trying to keep
See?
the
Ooh. You gonna jump in there? Jump. Ooh. Oh my god, you got a raspado.
Yep, and you guys told me they wouldn't have it here.
Well, we didn't think so. Adam, do you like that?
No, this is your spoon. Hey!
like,
He won't share!
He said it's his, right, Adam? And the kids got, what,
Adam, can I try
bananas?
some?
No.
Okay, can you sit down so you don't drop it? So Caesar, how
over
much
here.
did you think
Adam.
those were?
$10 each.
The bananas were $2 and that thing was $3.
Oh,
So I didn't
snap.
even spend 10
Adam,
bucks.
sit right here, pa.
Wow. Guys, look at how deep this hole is. What? Now that one's not too big, but this one, holy moly.
Go.
Oh!
I got it.
Go ahead, jump in there.
Oh, no, that's mine.
Go, Adam, jump, jump. That one, jump. Go, go, go.
Jump, Adam.
You scared?
So,
You got the blue one.
you know how when your iPhone overheats it like shuts off and it says it needs to cool down before it'll let you turn it on. So Caesar's dad, my father-in-law, took it literally. So what did you do?
Stick it in the cooler.
He stuck it in the cooler to literally cool down. So Caesar, what do you think about your dad doing that?
Mexican engineering, that's what I think. Oh my God, guys, it got real serious right now. I can't tell who it is, but somebody must have got hurt or drowned. Wow, here comes the ambulance. Mace just got back, so what happened? What did you see?
That was crazy, guys. So there was this older lady, maybe like in her 60s, I would say, and they had her on a stretcher. Well, first of all, we saw like a bunch of lifeguards swarm past us, like, I mean, at least 10 of them. So we're like, what the heck is going on? And we ran over there, me and Bella, because we were being nosy, so we went to see what happened. And there was this lady on a stretcher with the lifeguards over her, and then there was a guy by her head that you can tell was just like there with his family in his shorts. And he was a Muslim guy. Out of all the things, you know, thank God, right place, right time. I don't know if he was a doctor or a nurse or something, but he seemed like he was delegating the situation. And he was like telling them what to do, and they put her on the stretcher and they carried her off in like one of those four-wheelers, and there's like ambulances and stuff. I don't know if you can see them. Caesar, can you see them?
Yep, they're still there.
So they just carried her off over there, and then the Muslim guy, I think he was like Pakistani or something, what he looked like, and he just went to his wife, she was in her hijab, and they walked on their merry way. But like, thank God he was there, and I just, you know, hope she's okay.
Man, a day at the beach, how you feel, man?
Oh, I feel good, man. Look at my stomach.
I'm feeding my birds. No. No, please don't.
No.
I want.
Eat. Like little pichones. Pichon.
Guys, I want someone to do it.
Caesar's dad was feeding Adam, he was feeding him chips because his hand had sand. And he said, I'm feeding my birds because the seagulls are flying over us.
Hey guys, we're over here by a sand dune. And Mace wants to go up there with the kids and run down. I hope they don't wipe out, or you know what? They should wipe out just so they could learn their lesson. But yeah, guys, let's see how it goes. Mace, you struggling over there?
Good.
So they're gonna try to climb all the way up there and run all the way down. All right, ready, set, go! Oh my God, that was weak. Why didn't you guys go all the way up there and jump down?
I'll do it.
Because I'm not gonna lie, I'm chicken, I'm not going up there.
Oh my God.
Who won? Who won? I don't know, I think it was a tie. Bella over there being careful like her mama.
What's the point of coming to the Indiana Dunes if you're not gonna climb a dune and jump down or run down?
Because I didn't want to break my neck, that's why. But kudos to you for doing that.
That's a good workout.
I'm so
guys.
tired. It's getting late, but they still want to swim.